Let's put this on. Never used any eye masks before. Decided to try these. How did this go? It is 5:38 in the morning on Thanksgiving Day. Let's bake some pumpkin bread. 3-ingredient pumpkin bread. Originally, the recipe calls for the Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookie mix. It's not vegan. I'm gonna try the King Arthur's gluten-free cookie mix. It doesn't have chocolate chips inside it, so I'm gonna stir in some chocolate chips and some pumpkin pie spice. Incorporated everything. Now I'm gonna put it into a tin that I lined with parchment paper.